Good day, beloveds, and welcome. Welcome to the fourth video in this five-part series on love attraction essential oils. And if you haven't watched the first three series of videos, I encourage you to do so. And also watch my prior series of videos, Prosperity Consciousness. I encourage you to watch them as well, as this series of videos was inspired by that series of videos by the same author of this book. Okay, so just to give you some highlights of ginger essential oils, if you're feeling energetically diminished, fresh ginger oil will encourage and sustain your life force energies while restoring the flow of stagnant chi or life force energy. Its restorative properties help you to recover when you are physically and emotionally burnt out, depleted, or exhausted, okay? And last but not least, as an aphrodisiac, ginger root may be helpful for treating male impotence. So, of course, this information is for educational purposes only. It's not meant to be a prescription for anybody who may be taking medication for that condition and or any sort of emotional need. So I'm going to share with you some therapeutic properties of ginger essential oil. And let's see. And here we are. So ginger essential oil is known to be analgesic, antibacterial, inhibits vomiting and nausea, antioxidant, antispasmodic, relieves intestinal gas pain. It stimulates and clears the mind. It relieves headaches. It's known to promote or increase perspiration. An expectorant, reduces fever, relieves constipation. Rubefacient, a stimulant. It's known to promote good stomach function and as a tonic. So the key body systems this essential oil work with are digestive, immune, respiratory, circulatory, and muscular. The key emotions this essential oil this information suggests enhances your life or brings into your life are willpower, encouraged, uniqueness, motivated, and stability. Going on to the first page of your information sheet, for which you will have in the description, you're looking at the safety notes because you know I'm all about the safety. And the safety notes reads, non-sensitizing, non-toxic, and non-irritating, except in high concentration. May cause sensitization in some individuals. So below the safety box, you have a how do I use it box. And this provides you with ways to create the applications on how you would like to use the essential oil. It says you can use it in the tub with some dead sea salts and like powdered milk to take a bath. You can breathe it in and out using a essential oil safe inhaler or putting 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hand and rubbing together and inhaling, of course, not touching your face. You can create a spritzer. You can put it in a tea. You can rub it on using a carrier oil like such as jojoba or grapeseed, or you can put it on creating applications such as a roller bottle. And if you use it in the tea, I recommend that you get a organic, if you can, quality ginger essential oil from a reputable company. Okay, do not purchase ginger fragrance. Okay. And if you're taking medications, be especially cautious and consult your, a primary care provider or someone who's familiar with your intentions are in the healthcare setting so that you use this safely, because you never know when medications might have a counterindication for the essential oils that you may want to use. So above the how do I use it box, you have a tried and true uses. And above that, you have some introductory information about ginger for you to read at your leisure. So I'm going to stop sharing here. And that's the information I have for you today about ginger essential oil. I do have some here. Oh, I'll share with you. Is that right? Okay. Smells amazing. Smells amazing. And as this is the first weekend in the month of March, if you didn't know, this is the month, social work month. And I mentioned to you that I am a social worker and we do share. So in this video, I want to share with you that I've used ginger essential oil. You know, I'm going to create the Love Attraction Essential Oil blend at the end of this series. Yes. And I also use ginger essential oil in the month of February. And giving back and giving love, I created some soaps with ginger in them. They did have another essential oil in them as well. However, you can create many different types of DIY applications using essential oil. And here's a picture of my February Black History Month ginger essential oil soaps. So I just wanted to share that with you. And as always, I thank you for watching. If you have any questions that you want answered, put those in the comments. If you like this video, consider giving it a like or a thumbs up and sharing with somebody you know and love. And as always, it's a pleasure to serve you. And what do I usually say? Let's continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. So until next time, God bless you and I love you. Bye-bye now. Thank you, beloveds, for watching. If you've subscribed to my channel or liked this video or shared it with anyone you think may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, I thank you. God bless you, and I love you.